Hey, hi friend, this is Taposh and welcome to this another module, another video. In this video, we will learn that another super powerful pattern, that is outline expansion pattern. So what it is? It is suppose again the thing is we want to break down any complex task into a simple task. Okay, so the concept behind is we will get more accurate answer, more uh, accurate output we will get from ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. So what will happen is, suppose you want to create a ebook. Okay, so might be 200 pages, might be 500 pages, or you want to create some blog post or a huge character like mm, 10,000 words or few lines. So you want to create something big. So in that case, what will happen is, what will happen, so if you straightforward, if you want to ask this question to chat gpt or any other artificial tools, it will be little confused, and the content might not be in that level. Okay, so you may not get the exact answer you wanted to have. Okay, so in that case, the right procedure will be, the proper structure will be, you create an outline first. You will tell ChatGPT, this is my subject, this is my topic. So what you can do is, you can create a first you can create an outline for this topic. Suppose might be 10 outlines, suppose it might be 20 outlines. You create it according my requirement, you create it, and after that I will tell you which outline you need to expand. So suppose you are creating 10 outlines. So now the bullet point is ready. Now you will say, okay, now expand the bullet point number one, or the first bullet point you expand. So you write 1000 words, or 2000 words on that bullet point. So it will provide like that way. So in that way, you can create a ebook, you can create a long content, long form content. So in the straightforward, if you ask that question to ChatGPT or any other artificial tools, the content might not be that great, or the some limitation is there. So at a first time, it will not provide that much, like 10,000 characters, 5,000 characters, it may not provide. Okay, so the limitation is there. So that's why we will break it down, and so that we can get the accurate answer, more detailed answer we can get from ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. Okay, so here is one example. Now, the example number one is creating a business plan. Suppose you want to create a business plan. In that case, what kind of prompt you will write? So here the persona pattern I have used, that act as an outline expander. So you act like a outline expander. Generate a bullet point outline based on the input I give you, that I give you, and then ask me for which bullet point you should expand on. So you will ask me, generate some bullet points outline based on my topic. My topic is creating a business plan. Based on that, you create some bullet points, and then you will ask me that which bullet point you should expand on. Each bullet point can have most 3 to 5 sub bullets. Again, you can edit it, might be 5 to 10 sub bullet points. The bullet points should be numbered using the pattern. So which pattern you prefer, you can provide that pattern. Suppose here I have used a to z, I to 5. So like that way, you what you can do is 1 to 100, or a to z, that which format you want. So you need to mention that format. So for my case, I have used this format, and then create a new outline for the bullet point that I select. At the end, ask me for what bullet point to expand next. Ask me for what to outline. Okay, now let us practice. Let me copy this, go to ChatGPT, refresh the page, now paste it. So let me, yes, there are some extra thing I have used. Let me erase this. For my case, this would be the bullet point 1 to a to z, or here you can mention any based on your preference. Suppose 1 to 100. Okay, A to Z, then 1 to 100. So now what I'm asking ChatGPT that act as an outline expander, generate a bullet point outline based on the input that I give you, and then ask me for a which bullet point you should expand on. Each bullet point can have at most 3 to 5 sub bullet points. Again, I have mentioned here anything like I can edit 5 to 7 5 to 7 sub bullet points. The bullet point for testing purpose, let me take it little, uh, make it smaller, 2 to 4. Okay, sub bullets. The bullet point should be numbered using the pattern A to Z and 1 to 100. Create a new outline for the bullet point that I select. At the end, ask me what bullet point to expand next. Ask me for what to outline. Okay, so now let me run it. Let's see what happens. Okay, now what is asking? It is asking, got it, please provide the main bullet point you want to include in your outline. So now here what we have mentioned, we mentioned creating a business plan. Okay, let me copy it, let me paste it, sorry, control Z, let me copy it, let me copy it. Suppose creating a business plan is my subject, I want to make it. Okay, here it is, just check once. The standard, here is an initial bullet points outline for creating a business plan. Executive summary. A1, it is business overview. A2, business statement. A3, business objectives. Now A is completed. Now B company description. B1, B2, B3, B4. Then market research, again the C1, C2, C3, C4. Now D1, D2, D3, D4. E 1 2 3 4, F 1 2 3 4, G 1 2 3 4, H 1 2 3 4, all the bullet points. Which bullet points would you like to expand on first? Okay, so now in this case, what I will say, the bullet point I want to expand, A1, suppose A1. So now let me type A1, I want to expand it. I will tell A1, A1. So let's enter. See, again it's breaking down. A1 business overview, A1.1. So business name and location, here will be a legal name on the business, address and contact information, online presence, what do we need for creating a business plan. I want to start a business, I want to create a business, so what are the things I need to maintain. So here it is. I wanted to expand, I wanted to know more about A1 business overview. So A1 business overview, under A1, A1.1. So under 1 it is coming 1, legal name and business, address, contact information, outline presence. A1 dot 2 business description, and all the details, it is giving me all the details. Now again it is asking, what bullet point would you like to expand on next? Suppose I want to expand this A11, so let me, or A12, otherwise so we can take business goal and vision, key success factors. Suppose I want to expand again A.1.4. Okay, the key success factor I want to expand. Let me press enter again. See how it is expanding. So like that way you can create 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 content at the same time. But if you ask ChatGPT to create a business plan, suppose this content, suppose this prompt you are asking directly, create a business plan, so it will provide only 1000 word, might be maximum 2000 words it can provide, but it will not provide that standard content. Okay, So I think you got the idea that how to create an how that outline expansion pattern works. Okay, so it is not for the it is only one subject I have given you. Any other concept also, it will work like a magic. So suppose in this case, let me take another example, that is planning a wedding. So here also the format is same. I think the example and format is same. The example is different. Act as an outline expander, generate a bullet point outline based on the input I give you, and then ask me for which bullet point you should expand on. Each bullet point can have at most 3 to 5 sub bullets. The bullets should be numbered using the pattern A to Z, I to V. Through create a new outline for the bullet point that I select. At the end, ask me for a what bullet point to expand next. Ask me for a what to outline. So now this time again it will go, okay, let me what will be the first bullet point. So you will provide, it is a wedding planning. So it will provide all the detailed information, it will provide. So again the I will let me go to a fresh page and let us test. Suppose this sorry let me take this prompt. Let me take this prompt. The subject is different, the format is same. You need to copy it and paste it and then replace your content. Okay, got it. Just let me know the topic or the main bullet point you would like to outline and I will get started. Wedding planning. wedding Wedding planning. So this is my topic, this is my subject. So now see, it will outline all the details. Pre-wedding planning, A1 budgeting, A2 guest listing, A3 venue selection, A then okay, A, it is A done. Now coming to B1 catering, B2 photography and videography, B3 entertainment, wedding attire, C1, C2, C3, D1, D2, no, D3, then E1, E2, all the things. Again, further, if you want to expand any other point, so again, which bullet point would you like to me to expand on? So again, you can say E2, please expand. Which point you want to know more about it? Okay, so that is what. So I think you got the particular idea about the extension pattern, outline expansion pattern. So here I have mentioned 5 6 example. Create your own example and use this pattern. It is a very super powerful pattern. So you practice it and I'm sure you will get the better prompt out of it. Okay, so here planning a wedding. Again, writing a research paper. Again, another example is organizing a fundraising event, and then again developing a marketing campaign. All the topics are there, so you can create your subject, your topic, and the format is pretty simple. You need to only replace your content, and you just need to copy it and paste it, and then it will ask provide me the main bullet point. So in that case, you need to select your subject and it will provide magic outline like this, and then you can expand further as long as you want. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Again, I will say that practice, without practice you can't you will not be able to learn anything. So you need to practice it. You just copy it, paste it, replace your content, and I am sure you will get some better prompt out of it. Okay, so that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.